Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and in today's video I would like to share with you my most recent thrift haul. This is a relatively small haul for me. It is a cumulative haul. It is mostly from Goodwill. There are several Goodwills that I go to in different towns that are close to me, and it's also just a few pieces from the Restore. I absolutely love going to Restore. The first piece, I'm going to go ahead and get out of the way. This is the turkey that I picked up for the $10 Goodwill challenge. I've already shared him. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it below. He is so heavy. And he lives on top of my china cabinet, and I love these types of things for the different seasons. He is gorgeous. Up next is a white pitcher. I did get this from Goodwill. Tag says $3. I probably got it 50% off, but I might have paid $3 for it because that's within my $5 threshold. That's about the price that I'm willing to pay for things. The next thing I picked up, I have a bunch of these little pitchers. At first I thought that they were ceramic, but it turns out they're plastic, but they're actually a really good quality. I think they're from like a restaurant supply store or something, because I'm envisioning, you know, put that at the little cafe for cream or for maple syrup or something like that with pancake breakfast. But what I'm going to use them for is for succulents. So in the spring, I'm going to, I have a bunch of succulents that I grow, and they're constantly multiplying to the point that I have probably 50 of them that I need to give away. So I'm going to use these as gifts in the spring to give away those succulents. They did come 4 for $1, and I picked up $20 worth, so I'm kind of you probably think I'm crazy, but these are going to be a really cute little spring Easter gift to give away to everybody I know. I'll probably keep a dozen to use them for maple syrup or little individual creamers, stuff like that. But then I came upon these napkins, these fabric napkins. They are the brocade or jacquard napkins, whatever you want to call it, that have the tone on tone. And I already have orange ones for fall and gold ones for the Christmas season. And now I have these white ones. These were also from Goodwill. I paid $1.25. They had 2 sets of 5, so I have 10 of these. Another thing I picked up at Goodwill, I have some napkin holders. I actually found 2 sets and I couldn't decide which one I liked more. And I usually have to get 8 to a set of anything that I get for tableware, because when I set a table, I like to be able to set for 8 for when we have company or just when, you know, family's over or whatever. That way I have enough for everything to match. But these, neither one had 8 in the package. I just got both of them. I can mix and match and use these both on the same table setting, and it'll look really nice. And the last thing I picked up from Goodwill, this actually snaps. So this is the last thing from Goodwill in this haul. I love silver plate. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to have to polish these. So some of them, you can see some of them are tarnished a little bit, but overall not too bad. And now I'll move on to the things I picked up at the Restore. The Restore always has very interesting things. Somebody must have donated an entire workshop of these little ceramic figurines to be painted, and some of them were 10 cents a piece. This one was 25, this little lamb. I don't know if you can see him. And then I also got this little lamb for 25 cents. So I plan to use them at Easter and spring in some little spring decor pieces that I want to put up. And I also have 2 little fences. I don't know if you can see that. So something I'm always on the lookout for at Restore are outlet covers and light switch covers and things like that. I'm in the process of repainting my entire house and redecorating room by room, kind of wall by wall. And I want everything to have like a brass finish, and if it doesn't have a brass finish, I also picked up some of the plain white ones, because the ones at my house, they're really ugly. They're like an off tan color. I don't know what color it is, but they're the really cheap ones that just were here whenever we bought the house and we never changed them out. So I'm changing everything to either plain white or this brass, and I have lots of them. Most of these are like, this one's 10 cents and this one's 25 cents. And I've got these white ones, they were 10 cents. And I did get a ton of those. I probably spent $5 on switch covers and outlet covers that cost anywhere from 10 cents to 25 cents. Most of them did cost 10 cents, so I have an entire bag of those. And I almost forgot, I wanted to share these with you guys. These are some little vintage postcards that I picked up at a local flea market, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm using them in the little, let me show you, hold on. So here, you can't even see this. I'm using this, it's actually a vintage card holder, I think. And so you just stick these in here and it holds these little vintage cards. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notification of new video uploads. And as always, I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.